Ilaw, lightnings, okay? Clapper. Okay. Tawa. Very good. Okay, kompleto. Okay, tayo. So yun, racing tayo ngayon. Actually, styling racing. Dalawang event tayo ulit 30 days video, no? Ayun. So, ang sineset up natin is racing table. More on pastries. Wala tayong mga cold cuts. Kasi ito ang request nila. So, hindi daw nila alam kumain ng cold cuts. Cheers! But anyway, masaya naman to. Mas nakakabusog. We have empanadita, tuna, and pork. And also, we have fruits, donuts, and so everything was here. Pinipili ko lang kasi hindi nagka-mix-mix sila. So yun. Ilaw, lightnings, okay? Clapper. Okay. Tawa. Very good. Okay, kompleto. Okay, tayo. So, yan, tapos na tayo sa ating styling and then also sa grazing table natin. Dito tayo ngayon sa registration. Kasama natin ang SG, Angels, and Demon. Ay, dyan. So yun po, medyo nakakapagod. Really tiring tong day na to for me. As in, oh my God, you know, it really, So yan, happy naman tayo for the debut. Puntahan natin ngayon yung BCC for the wedding naman. Insert natin ibang montage dito, plus the vlog. Alam niyo na yan, paano mag-edit, ha? Nabayaran kayo eh.
Please like, share, and subscribe, guys. Deserve namin
Deserve namin ka 1 million followers, subscriber. Kapag naka 1 million subscriber na kami, hindi na kami mag-i-event.
Yes, don't forget to
Sorry.
comment kung ano pa yung mga gusto nyo ipasok sa video namin.
Gusto niyo po ba makita kami hubad?
Maghuhubad siya.
Yun lang. Yun lang. Bye-bye. See you sa BCC in a few minutes. Hi! And we're here now sa BCC. Hinihintay ko lang yung team na yakit nila yung ating mga upuan. Kasi yun namin natin yung upuan natin for ceremony and also for reception. Kaya hintayin na natin, then magpo-full vlog na tayo or magpo-full montage na tayo dun sa loob with our team, of course, si Sander, sa si Rojan. Yun lang. See you for the next video. Nice! And we're done for our 2 events for today. Today is April 19. So natapos natin ang isang dibu. Actually, hindi pa siya totally tapos. Nabidyohan naman na natin. And then okay na rin tayo sa couple natin and the debut tire itself. Mag-start na rin yung program. That's why tayo mga stylists, batching na tayo, no? So alis na tayo dito. Punta naman tayo sa kabila para doon naman tayo maghasik ng lagim. But anyway, BCC done. And then just done. All goods for April 19. Bye for now. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And click the notification bell para updated ka. Bye-bye.